Hey everyone, and welcome to another one of our videos. Today we're going to be doing a horn replacement on my 2014 Ford F-150 Raptor. The same horns I believe are used on many of the F-150 trucks, predating the same generation as what I'm working on, and as well as post-dating. And what I did was I actually purchased some generic horns off of Amazon. The Ford ones aren't super expensive. They're about 60 bucks or so for the set with the bracket and everything. But on Amazon, they're like 15 bucks for a set. And with the Ford set having failed relatively prematurely on my truck, I figured I'd give these a shot. And in worst case, if they don't work or fail prematurely as well, then I'll go buy some Ford ones at that point. But wanted to give the less expensive option a shot, since it's more logical as long as it works out well. So this is what the box looks like that the horns come in. I'll have them linked below in the description, of course, as well. And they come wrapped in bubble wrap, and it's the two horns on a bracket with a connector. One thing to note on the bracket, because I've had this happen on some of my other F-150s, these ones from the factory are some kind of uncoated or maybe black oxide coated steel, and they corrode over time, so they actually start to brown rust. This one's some kind of paint or powder coat on it, so this one actually shouldn't. In a way, an upgrade over the Ford one. And the reason I'm doing this is because my horns on my truck have failed to the point that sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. And whenever they do, they do not make the right tones. So sometimes they'll do a little high-pitched squeal. I'm sure the driver within the horn or something is starting to lock up and seize and work intermittently. But wanting to replace them, so I have functioning horns again in case of emergency on the road, so to speak. So with that, we'll pop on over to the truck and show you this process. It should be very simple. Alright, so we're right here at the front of the truck, and this is what the factory horn setup looks like. Like I said, super straightforward. It's going to be one bolt and one connector. I'm going to go ahead and pull the connector. You just push a tab down and wiggle it out. Looks good. And then one 10mm bolt, which we will crack loose here. That one's a little tight, nothing crazy. And making sure we don't drop these down below. We'll get this guy loose. At this point, once the bolt's out, all you got to do is pivot the horn assembly kind of down and pull it out. And we'll do this in one take since it's going to be super simple. The horn assembly slots in, bolt goes back into place, and I'll tighten that up off camera. Connector goes back on, and you're done. Like I said, super straightforward installation. Takes just a few seconds, and hopefully these things perform pretty well. I'll go ahead and finish up the installation and everything here off camera, and then we'll double check the functionality and show you what these ones sound like. Should be stock, but just to show you what to expect. Alrighty, as you can see, we have the new horns installed, and we're going to go ahead and give you a quick demo to save your ears if you're with headphones. I'm just going to lock the truck, and it's going to do its little beep noise, so nothing too crazy. I'm not going to lay on the horn, but here we go. I can tell you right now, standing here in front of the truck, these things are way louder than my stock horn was. Like I said, mine was failing, so that's part of the reason. These may be just as loud as a brand new stock horn is, but certainly functioning just fine and much better than my worn out stock one was. So I'm happy. We'll see how long these last. Hopefully the next 5-10 years. This truck's about 10 years old right now, so hopefully for the next little while. With that, I want to thank you all for watching. Let me know down in the comment section if you have any questions or comments, of course, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.